Here we are, folks. We're going to do a little paper plane folding, okay? First plane, known as the dart, the most basic one. So, take your paper in half this way. Be precise, line it up good. Open it back up. Now we're going to take one of the top corners and we're going to fold it down like this to that middle line. Okay. And take the other corner and do the same thing down to that middle line. Here you go so far. Now we're going to take that new top corner and we're going to make this edge line up with the middle. So we're going to take that edge and we're going to fold it till it lines up right down the middle. And notice I'm taking my finger, I don't want any creases, so I'm going to get it close, hold it in place, and then I'm going to slowly work that fold in up to the thicker part at the top. Here we go. Same thing on the next side. We're going to make this edge, fold it to line up with the midpoint. So I'm going to take it and roll it in my fingers gently, and I'm going to get it to line up with the other one right here. Hold it. I'm going to look at it. I'm going to use my fingers to work out any creases. There we go. Boom. All right, so that's what we have so far, the classic. Then I'm going to fold it together. Make sure they line up well. And just give a little more flattening out. So the next step is to make some wings on it. Okay, so we're going to take it and we're going to bring down a wing. Okay. Now I like to make the fold parallel with the bottom. So I'm going to line up the wing, and the size of the wing is up to you. Remember, wings create that ability to hang in the air. So if you make them too small, it's not going to hang. So I'm going to hold it in place, and I'm looking down that they're parallel with the bottom. Looks good, and I'm going to slowly work it flat, fold it over, and I'm going to fold the next wing till I get that to match. And I'm working this slowly over so I don't get any creases here. Softening the paper a little bit. And I'm going to make the wings line up. And I'm going to make the tops line up. There we go. And now you have it. You open it up a little bit. Okay, and you've got your basic dart paper airplane. Now if you're going to fly this in your house or around your brothers or sisters, what I recommend is you take the tip and fold the tip in. And that's actually a good idea anyway because it puts a little more weight in that front area. Alright, so now the tip is folded in, and when you bring it back together, you have more of a less lethal dart. Okay. There she is, okay, and what you can do, you see it's kind of lopsided there, hold it and just work those wings till it sets a little more level. When you let it hang like that, see the wings are not hanging level, so you actually want the wings to be up a little bit. So when you let it go, when you let it hang, the wings are a little more level like that, so when it's hanging in the air, it can just hang. Okay, so there's your dart. It's a good plane. It's number 1. Have fun with that one.